Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to add friends for free in your Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to add your friends for free in your Steam account, first open up the Steam account either on your browser or the Steam gaming software itself. I'll be doing it from the gaming software and not the browser. You can log into your browser and get into the same page as this one, which is the store page of the Steam. And after doing that, guys, in order to add some friends on your Steam account for free, you can see your account name available over here just beside the community where I'm hovering, and it says Matt Barrier, which is my username. And when we hover over it, there is the friends option available for us just below the profile. Click on that friends option, and over here, guys, this is your friend list. I have not made a lot of friends recently, so with that being said, guys, in order to add a friend, you can see the add a friend button available over here just below the your friends option available. Click on that add friends button or add a friend button, and over here, guys, either you can send your friend code and you will be able to add, or your friend will be able to add you, but that's a different case if you have bought the battle pass. But over here it says or send a quick invite. This is, guys, this generates a link to share via email or SMS, and you and your friends will be instantly connected when they accept. So this is the, guys, this is the link which you need to send to your friend in order to connect to your Steam account as a friend, and copy it and send it to your friend, and guys, by email or pasting it to Facebook on any of the social media platforms. And once your friends click on this link, and a new tab opens where you and your friends will be connected. And with that being said, guys, this is how you add your friends on Steam for free. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.